Hello, hello YouTube. It's yet another beautiful day. We are logging here. We got how many trees? We got one right there. Got the one I just fell. You can see the stump by the ladder where my guy is at right now. Is the upper tree. I hope you can really see him. And we got three more behind that one. I'm gonna fell the rest, but right now I'm gonna position you onto this log I just placed on the rollers. I'm gonna sew some 6-1s onto this, and yeah, I'm gonna give you a shoot of everything that we're gonna be doing, felling and sawing the wood. Do enjoy. Alrighty, here goes. 272 running 6-1s. Huh? Well, I hope you guys didn't get too much of the chips coming your way. Smile. Iko ndani katikati. Hii imetoka wapi? Hii imetoka wapi? We hit a nail. We hit a freaking nail. 6x1s. On the second piece of lumber, I hit a nail. I hope I can focus you right inside here. It's right here. Huge one. Sure, it got some of the cutting teeth. Gonna check and see how many we have to sharpen now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Man, the whole fucking chain I got to sharpen it whole. This is freaking crazy. It really pisses me off when I hit something solid inside the wood, because you really have to get back to the sharpening. God damn it. We hit a nail in the wood. I just got the offcuts off, the scrap pieces off. I was sewing some lumber, proper lumber now, 6x1s. I was on the second piece of lumber, and I hit the nails. Right here on my Yamaha. This is my ride. This is my ride, guys. My Yamaha DT125. Viewers from Vietnam, you might be quite familiar with this cycle. Really good bike. I'm grabbing my file right here. This is a 7/2. I'm using a 7/2, sorry. On the last video I mentioned that I've been experimenting a lot with files. 7/2, 5/2. 3/16 is quite a usual thing to be used by a lot of guys in my area. But I try to experiment with a lot of files. Right now I'm trying to get some square files, really hard to procure here. So let's go on it. I'm gonna sharpen the chain, and I'm gonna loop a video felling those trees. I guess you're gonna miss the sharpening. You've seen this on my videos, other videos before, but maybe I can give you a close-up view of maybe one or two. Got it? Right angle? Perfect. Quite difficult with single arm. I got to grab the saw with my armpit and try to frame you guys in. Quite a hassle this one is. Yep. They should have tied in a ball line. A running ball line would have been much better.